Tell him.
Huh?
Tell him.
What do you mean? Tell him what?
What's up, guys? Team Dirtbash back with another video. Today we're gonna be installing the third brake light and getting rid of this junk. So first step, I gotta take off the carpet, pop the tail light out. Really boring stuff. Why are you filming all the way down there?
I don't think you have to take out the carpet.
Here.
I think let's take this piece out first.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me.
The whole this whole thing comes out. The whole tail light.
Gotcha.
I gotta pop the tabs off and not break them because I don't have any extras.
I got it. Actually, you know what? It's funny you say that. Just look. Look here.
Do you have a pop? Like the thing to take them off?
Oh yes, actually I do.
I'm just using a flathead screwdriver because I'm ghetto.
Oh no. Actually, God. Let me find it.
You know, using the right tool.
Which angle do I come in from?
Probably. You could do that, I guess. I'm trying not to break it though. Kinda.
Everything adhesive for alcohol.
Like, try to cover the
It's
camera.
coming.
Should you like do it from here?
It's coming.
Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing.
I thought you like do it from
Okay.
there.
I see what I did wrong.
Like here, like try to put the screwdriver.
No, I don't need to do that.
Okay.
Jesus, you're filming.
Yeah, no, I'm
You
asking.
see this, guys? I got an 11-year-old telling me what to do.
I'm just asking.
There should be one more here. I guess not.
Okay.
So these go clip on.
Dude, it is beautiful.
They just pop off. I'm sure someone already knows how to do this. All right. So that's unplugged now. So I just gotta look. Man, we're installing this bad boy. So,
You got the molded lights as well?
what do you mean?
The trunks.
The license
Yeah.
plate? Yeah, they should be in there.
Yeah, perfect.
So this is actually sponsored by Mike Rossetti. So that's my sponsor. But I gotta figure. And then this goes back into here, like so. And then this plugs into here.
Well, first you want to make sure it works before you do anything else. So.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah, so
Bam!
it works.
What's that?
So now I'm gonna go turn the car on and hit the brake. I think if I hit the brake, just film that. Just film that.
Okay.
See if it works.
Yep, it works, man. Put it in reverse for a second. Let's see. Now the fun part's we have to. Well, yeah, the fun part was having to fish it down here. Let me get this little tool here because we just gotta pop this piece out.
Hey, calm down. Damn.
I know, I'm just
What?
excited.
Guys, don't
Oh,
skip
you're
the
talking-
steps. Steps are very important.
I know.
Mike.
Okay, I'm just looking.
Jesus.
Hey,
I'm
I'm
saving
the
it.
Anxiety, bro.
I am the
Anxiety.
cameraman.
All right. Go
Give
ahead.
me my camera back.
I need to find.
I say we take it.
Sorry, he took my camera.
I need to find.
Yay!
You keeping that camera steady? You got the main ones good?
Hey, man. I'm gonna put it in reverse.
Oh, it works.
It's white.
It's white, man.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like
It's not bright, but it's white.
like if you get
The
hit.
brake
that's a-
light is bright.
Dude, if you get hit at this point, they're really not paying attention. That's the best way to put
They're
it.
like, where are you filming? Let me
I'm
get
filming
this.
right there.
So I think these lights are actually OEM or OEM Plus in Japan, right? They just come on the car in Japan.
No, they're GD muscles. So it's
No, I'm saying, but like this,
oh, maybe
this
I'm
light
not-
comes on them. I'll look it up. I'll let you guys know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is a JD Muscle light. So anyway, we're gonna do all the boring stuff, and I'll film you guys, show you guys.
He's fishing it right through there.
See what I did wrong? Did you guys see what I did wrong? Didn't put the wire through the hole. The taillights last time.
Okay, I hear it.
I hear it hitting something.
Yeah. So the best thing to do.
Is stick your hand in and get it stuck.
Well, actually.
Best part about working on cars is losing the tools.
No, you don't hold on.
Found it. And then you break all the clips.
So I got new ones.
I don't know if you guys can see that
Wow, you want your iPad?
right there. So I felt it come down and then I just fed it right through. So now we're gonna plug it in again and test it out again.
run for it.
Boom. So I think that will just pop in.
There you go, bro. Pull it out.
You want to do the honors?
Yeah, if you don't mind, I'll do it this time.
Go ahead.
No, let me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. I gotta spray it. Yeah, you can wipe it if you want. So anyway, we gotta take these license plate lights out because we are redoing these new license plate lights that I got. So this
This stuff's gonna be
this
real.
tab, show 'em. This tab right here broke on this side. This side came off first.
Stop
So
focusing. Oh, there.
I think it just broke off, but that's rusted inside. That nut is rusted inside. That nut is rusted inside. So I would say these all need to be replaced, but I don't have these right now. So we're gonna put it back in anyway. We're gonna replace these lights, pop this back in, and
Just let me know when.
go ahead.
Wow.
We got lights.
Much.
We're gonna see them at night. Right now it's useless. You have no
And
idea.
he got that.
Yeah.
Got that.
You don't have to worry about being rear-ended now. Boom. You know what you do with this? Here.
Love it?
I got a feeling when I hit the glass break.
I know, I heard that.
What you got? You decorating? Nice. Decorating the tree?
Church wig.
Whoa.
That's super cool.
Early Christmas. A candy cane here. Put this one.
The taco.
Candy cane.
The taco's super.
Put it on there. Put it in a space. Wow.
Tell me how you like the mirrors too when you.
I've been waiting to make this video for like 2 years. Sean's driving Mike's Bronco.
Stuff, but afterwards, just drive it. Forward, man. You're gonna feel sport mode. You're gonna feel the tune. You can go higher than 3. Go ahead, just rev it out, man. That's where I would go. Clear Y angle. Yeah.
That turbo sounds so good.
Yeah.
The turbo flutter in this thing's unreal.
These tires are getting towards the end of their life.
We definitely got to put a microphone in the engine bay one day. But I need to get a better microphone.
Yeah, dude, that was so fucking smooth. Why can't mine fucking do that?
Back secured. Back
secured, period.
secured, period. That's in dark. Power, man. What's the point? Okay, then 60. Go